Meaning of improperly.
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 Improperly. Improperly refers to the act of doing something incorrectly or inappropriately. When something is done improperly, it does not adhere to the proper procedures, standards, or norms. The result of improper actions can be negative and have consequences. For example, if a building is constructed improperly, it could collapse or endanger those who live or work in it. Similarly, if food is stored improperly, it could lead to spoilage, making it unsafe to consume. In essence, improper actions can lead to unfavorable outcomes which can have significant impacts on individuals and society as a whole.